Now the third question. So find the maximum product of the two integers in an array. So it is similar to the one we did. That was to like select two elements in the array and then find the sum if that sum is equal to a particular sum given. But we won't be needing that much of logic here because products, there is like a simple rule here. So minus negative into negative is also positive, and positive into positive is positive, and if negative into positive, then that's a negative. Okay, so going through this, if we got if we compare like if we multiply any negative number with a negative number, then we will be getting a positive number. That's the maximum. We will see about the max later. So, and if we multiply a positive number with a positive number, we still get a positive. But if we multiply a negative number with a positive number, then we will get a negative number. So what could be our approach? Uh, so we will have a, like, let's say a variable here, max, and we will iterate through uh, this array twice, like keeping this I and j from here, and we will see what's the value of the maximum. Okay, multiplying a of I with a of j. Okay, and then if the value is greater than max, then we will update the maximum variable, else we will keep it as integer dot minimum value. Okay, so this would be iterating using two for loops, so the time complexity would be O of n square. Now the second approach could be we will be sorting the whole algorithm, sorry, the array. So the time complexity goes to n log n for sorting. And then what we will do, if we will be having two arrays here. Okay, so one would be minimum and the other would be maximum, or low, high, anything. Okay, so what we have two indexes, or pointers pointing to the two indexes, the minimum index and the maximum index, and we have a sorted array. So as per the above logic, that is negative into negative is positive. So if we want to get a maximum positive number using two negative numbers, then what would be those two numbers? Like the value has moved here. Like if we multiply these two numbers, then we will be having a maximum multiplication value using two negative numbers. Similarly, if we use the maximum two positive numbers, then we will be getting a maximum value of multiplication of the two numbers. If we choose any other combination that is negative or positive, it will result in a negative value, which absolutely is less than any given value in the array. So what we will do, we'll take if uh, if the a of low or the minimum is um, less than 0, then we could check for this, maximum is this or not. If that number is negative, then it will work only. Okay, so we could use this, and then what we'll have here, if we multiply these two numbers, the maximum or the high one, then we will get it. Okay, so the other method could be, instead of using two variables, you could use three, minimum one, minimum two, maximum maximum one, maximum two, and then do the same thing. Okay, so what is the logic of this whole question is here, uh, like the end of these two, like the end of these this array, the elements at the end of this array will be having the, or will constitute to build a maximum multiplication of the two numbers. Okay, so that's a easy one. Okay, let's keep it till this for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.